Alright, so for this third example, we're going to combine everything we learned about writing verbal and algebraic expressions with simplifying expressions and distributive property. So I have this guy right here. 6 times the sum of x and y increased by 4 times the difference of 5x and y. I want to write an algebraic expression for the verbal expression above. In other words, I want to translate from words to numbers and variables. So let's kind of break it down. I have 6 times the sum of x and y. Right? So I know times is multiplication. So I know 6 times, I'm multiplying the sum of x and y. So the sum of x and y. I'm going to add those two together in parentheses. Right? And then after that is increase by. So usually increase is dealing with addition. So I'm going to add an addition symbol right there. And then 4 times the difference of 5x and y. Okay, so once again I have 4 times is multiplication. The difference is talking about subtraction. 5x minus y. Okay, and this is my algebraic expression. 6 times quantity x plus y plus 4 times quantity 5x minus y. Okay, that's my first part right there. So, let's see what I wrote down. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify that expression. Okay, so I have this right here, and if I know that there's a factor multiplied by a quantity in parentheses, I'm going to do the distributive property, so let's do that. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so that's going to give me 6 times x plus 6 times y plus 4 times 5x minus 4 times y. Or, sorry, this is a positive 4, so I should actually keep this a positive, and it's going to be multiplied times a negative y because it's a minus y. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm going to simplify them up. So 6x plus 6y plus 4 times 5 is 20x. And then 4 times negative y is going to give you negative 4y. Okay, so I see some of them have common factors. 6x and 20x both are like terms because they have the same variable and also the same power, right? It has a power of 1. You just don't see it. So I'm going to combine them like terms by adding the coefficients. Okay, same thing with y and y over here, right? It also has a same power of 1, so I am going to combine them as like terms. So what is 6x plus 20x? That will give me 26x. And then what's 6y minus 4y? That will give me plus 2y. And that is my answer, because that's the simplest form I can get. And there's no more like terms. So that should be it. Awesome. Now try this problem. Right? You want to write out an algebraic expression and then solve that expression by simplifying using the distributive property.